This is Camlin Techno mechanical pencil. Price rupees 100. 0.7 mm tip. This is the pack which it comes. Let's see whether it is worthable buy at rupees 100. The features mentioned here. This pencil comes with a metal body and blackish attractive look. Camlin nowadays innovates many products, but this pencil is a premium product for Camlin for a same 0.7 mm mechanical pencil. Attention to details given in the design. The green color which is in the grip looks fantastic. 0.7 mentioned here. Look at the tip, metallic tip and rubberized grip. This pencil weighs nicely, 12 grams. Regular pencils comes with 5 to 7 or 8 grams, and even the measurements are given here for your reference. This pencil feels premium in hand because of its metal barrel. Let's check the writing impression. The only thing here is the added weight by the pencil. Nothing more than that. Same lead from Camlin. Because of the added weight, it gives a nice feel while writing. Nice pencil for those who need a premium product from Camlin. Thanks for watching.